Good morning children, welcome back to our Google Classroom. What we have discussed in the last class? We have discussed Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? F plus V minus E equals 2, where F is the number of faces of the polyhedron, V is the vertices and E is the number of edges. Is it? So, I have given a table to complete in the last class. So, we can do that problem now. This is the table I have given in the last class. Here, faces, vertices, edges. 3 rows are there. So, first column we can choose as the first question. There, vertices and edges are given. We have to calculate faces, number of faces using Euler's formula. Okay. So, first question we can write as F is equal to which one? We don't know. So, we can put a question mark. Vertices V equal to 6 and edges E is equal to 2. So, we can write F is equal to dash, we don't know, V equal to 6, E is equal to 12. So, we write Euler's formula, F plus V minus E equals 2. Substitute the values which are given in the question. F plus F we don't know, so we write the letter itself. V 6 minus E is 12 equals 2. 6 minus 12 minus 6. So, F minus 6 is equal to 2. Therefore, transposing negative 6 to RHS, we will get the unknown. F is equal to 6 plus 2 equals 8. This question already written as a question, but here in the table you have to understand which way we can take the values. Okay, that is why I have done the problem in advance in the last class. Okay, so you got the idea. We are substituting the values and calculate using Euler's formula. From the second column we can understand number of faces 5, vertices we want to find out, edges are 9. So, we can again write Euler's formula, apply the values. F plus V minus E equals 2. F 5 in the question, V unknown, minus E is 9. So, 5 plus V minus 9 is equal to 2. 5 minus 9, negative 4. Therefore, V minus 4 is equal to 2. V is equal to 4 is transposing here. 2 plus 4 will get 6. Okay. Third column we can find number of faces 20, then 12, edges we have to calculate. Apply Euler's formula, F plus V minus E is equal to 2. Then again substitute the values, we will get 20 plus 12 minus E equals 2. 20 plus 12, 32 minus E is equal to 2. That is 32. This 2 we can transpose to left side and negative E we can transpose to RHS. So, E is equal to 30. Next question. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? How we can decide whether it is a polyhedron or not? We can check the Euler's formula is possible here. So, F is equal to 10, V is equal to 15 and E is equal to 20. We can substitute the values here in the Euler's formula. F plus V minus E equals 2. But here F plus V minus E equal to F is 10 plus V 15 minus 20. We will get 5, not 2. So, we can decide a polyhedron with these faces, vertices and edges is not possible. Okay. Next question, is a square prism same as a cube? Prism, square prism means its both the ends will be in the shape of a square. Is it? So, sometimes in the case of square prism, the sides will not be equal. In the case of cube, we know that all the sides will be equal. But in the case of square prism, the height will not be equal to its length and breadth. So, we can say that square prism is not same as a cube. Sometimes square prisms may be in the shape of cuboids. Like this, it may be cuboid. Okay, so cube and square prism not similar. So, you refer exercise 10.3 and the answers from the textbook. No need to write again in the notebook. Refer from textbook. Thank you children. This is the end of the chapter.